I'm right here, sweetheart. Don't be afraid.
Mama, what is that?
Not every shadow is dangerous, my little one.
Mama, why are you doing all this?
We're making our home safe together.
Will this protect me while I sleep?
Yes, it will guard your dreams, little one.
Mama, is something really there?
Let's look together, okay?
Oh, it was just my mouse!
See? Shadows can trick us sometimes. Subscribe for more of our adventures.
Yes! Stay with us for the next story.